guys. The typewriter on the desk isn't working yet. Typewriter? What typewriter?
Which one? Typewriter. This one? The typewriter on the desk. Desk.
Where? Yes, I need help. I know! But where's the typewriter?
I'm not dumb. I'm really not dumb. I'm not like dumb. I'm smart. And fuck you.
Where the fuck is that typewriter? Where the heck are you? Huh? Where are you? What typewriter? Where? Ah. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Okay. Perfect. What happened? Yes. Yes. What? Hey! What the What the What typewriter? Yeah, typewriter, yo! Jesus Christ, I understand that, okay. And fucking N. Jesus Christ. お願いします。お願いします。なんで